Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how I decorated an old beer bottle. First I got an old beer bottle and I painted the entire bottle using acrylic primer. Once the primer was dried, I pasted wall putty on the bottle. You can get wall putty from any nearby hardware store. You can also use texture paste for this step. Then I traced a freehand pattern on the putty using a brush. You can trace any pattern as you like. Once the putty was dried, I painted the entire bottle using acrylic color. I used a tortoise blue color for this step. You can use any color of your choice. Once the color was dried, I applied a bronze metallic color on the patterns of the bottle using a sponge brush. Then I did a little decoration using some of my DIY flowers. If you need to know how to make these flowers, then please let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.